Hey, what's up? It is your radio host, ODI Productions, here bringing you the latest jams when it comes to the world of affiliate marketing. And today we have an exciting video. This is an update to one of my most popular videos, 7 best affiliate programs for beginners. I'm updating this for 2020 because I've changed my opinion, and I'm just basically going to update this video for the present day. Now, I'm going to be ranking the top 5 best affiliate programs for beginners if you're looking to get started with affiliate marketing. If you're a beginner who doesn't know how to get started, where to get started, what niche to choose, I promise that this video will help give you some ideas by the end of this video. And before we start with number 5 on our list, I want to let you guys know about my brand new blog, which I just added to my website. You can visit it at odiproductions.com/blog, and you can see my latest written content and blog posts. I post here on YouTube about once per week, and I just wanted to create some more content to answer the most popular affiliate marketing questions and give you guides and resources that you can read, or if you just want to be able to see more content and get more resources on affiliate marketing. So check it out. Link will be in the description below. All right, so the first thing I want to say about this video is that there is no one-size-fits-all advice for everybody because everybody has a different niche. They have different passions. So with that said, this video is going to be my opinion. Now, it's an opinion backed by over 7 figures in affiliate marketing earnings and over 8 years of experience. You don't have to listen to me, but this is just based on my experience. I'm going to address sort of the elephant in the room. Some people are going to ask this question. It's just inevitable. They're going to ask about ClickBank. They're going to ask about CPA marketing. So the first thing I want to say is I personally am not a big fan of ClickBank, and I personally don't do CPA marketing. For those who don't know, CPA marketing generally means if you can get people's email address or to opt in to learn more about a specific company and get their emails and leads, then you'll get paid between $1 to $5 on average. You would have to get hundreds of emails per day to really make this crazy profitable, at least as profitable as the high ticket affiliate marketing that I do. I give value in return. I prefer high ticket affiliate marketing, and I prefer long-term business building, not just, a Facebook ad campaign to try and, get some quick sales or some email leads, because frankly, it's not how I do affiliate marketing. And I don't believe in the products. What I believe is in companies that I personally use and I am a customer of myself. So let's begin with number 5. We have ShareASale. ShareASale is just one of the bigger affiliate networks out there. And within the network, you have thousands of companies. And I'll show you the back end of the network. I'm just going to show you just a snapshot of each company and the companies that they have under them. But one thing I will say is all of these affiliate programs, for the most part, are going to ask you for a website. So if you ask me, why am I so big on building a website? It's because it's a platform that you own. If you want to learn how to do that, there'll be links in the description. You can also check out my channel. So just to give you guys a quick idea, I'm going to look at apparel and clothing right here. And you can see we got Reebok. Everyone knows Reebok, very large company. It's up there. We've got Polo, Jane, Cupshe, Yes Style. And so, if you're looking at some of these brands, some of you may recognize these, and some of you may even own or wear some of these brands, and you could literally become an affiliate for them. And you can actually see the commission percentages. I mean, these are higher rate commissions. I'm going to log in. This is the back end, and this is actually what it looks like when you're a part of this network. Now, when you're part of the network, you actually get to see all of the companies, and you can see on this left-hand sidebar, thousands of companies in so many different niches and markets. And I mean, again, it's dizzying how much potential there is and how many companies offer an affiliate program. I mean, InkFile, this is for legal, for setting up corporations and entities. Gusto is for HR, payroll. Crest 3D white strips. This is just to give you a quick idea. And I think ShareASale is one of the largest affiliate programs. It has legit brands, legit companies, because I prefer to just promote companies that I really actually am a customer of. And if people ask, how do you promote companies that, you don't own the product, this and that? My advice is you start with stuff that you do own. You start with companies that you do believe in, because it's easier to sell something you believe in than not. So let's move on to number 4. Let's move on to the next affiliate program, and that is Impact. And this formerly was known as Impact Radius. Now, with Impact, this is one of the largest affiliate programs in the world. They work with companies like Microsoft, Levi's, House. So this is one of the largest affiliate networks. Now, I can't show you anything because the truth is, it's not like ShareASale and Commission Junction where you can just go in, you can log in and see all the companies. You actually have to join each individual program, and then it will get added to your Impact account. So that's why I can't show you guys, but I do need to let you guys know this is one of the largest affiliate networks out there. So let's move on to number 3. So number 3 is Commission Junction, also known as just CJ.com. And so with CJ, it's just like Impact. packed. It's just like ShareSale. They have one of the largest affiliate networks out there with some legit companies, multi-billion dollar companies. I'm actually going to log in and show you guys some of those companies right now. And we're actually going to go through some of these. I'm actually in clothing, and you can see on the left-hand sidebar, again, just like ShareSale, there are so many dozens and dozens of categories and niches and markets. But this is just to give you guys an idea of, how many companies actually have affiliate programs out there and are available. We'll see some ones that you guys will really recognize. We have Express right here, Forever 21, Fossil. Okay, we have Gucci here, Michael Kors, PacSun, Ray-Bans, sunglasses, which I own a couple pairs, Romwe, which I think this is the brand on ShareSale as well, that I didn't know what this was, and someone said it's one of the largest women's fashion retailers. That's just a general idea. This is one that you can actually get access to after you apply. Now, you do need to have a website, which is why I keep saying build a website, create a website. You can start with less than $100 and actually have it become profitable. Basically, with Commission Junction, it's a huge network. It's got dozens, thousands of companies, but dozens of categories. And, you're just going to have to join and see what they have. Let's move on to number 2 on our list, which is actually going to be Amazon Associates. Now, Amazon Associates, it is kind of a controversial affiliate program for some people. Now, first of all, it's one of the oldest, one of the largest affiliate programs that's been out there. And so with Amazon, with their program, you potentially can promote millions of products to choose from. You can search for any product, but I'm actually just going to browse for products right now. But you can search for anything. If it's on Amazon, chances are you can get an affiliate link and you can basically make money from those commissions. And here's a quick rundown of how much commission percentage you get for each category of products right here. I made a whole Amazon Associates guide on my blog, odiproductions.com/blog, where you guys can actually see sort of a guide of how I went from zero to over $3,000 a month just from Amazon Associates alone. And I actually have a student right now who's doing 4 figures a month from Amazon Associates consistently right now in 2020. And my best advice is that it's the best affiliate program for beginners because it's an easy way to get access to millions of products that you can promote any of them. And it's an easy way that you can learn affiliate marketing. It's the largest range of products. It's the largest range of niche and markets. So there's something for everyone on Amazon Associates. That's the way that, I see it. So just look at car care right here. You can see you can sell microfiber cloths and towels and spray bottles. And, this stuff, basically, if you're a car guy like me, you can come up with some ideas underneath automotive. You can do car detailing and cleaning. You can do things for maintenance. Like there's so many ideas that you can do just with, cars alone. And that's just one of the many, many categories here in Amazon Associates. So that brings us to number 1. What is the number 1 affiliate program out there? And here is my advice for you guys. I think the number 1 affiliate program is hands down Walmart. Okay, just kidding, guys. So number 1 is actually direct affiliate programs. Let's say you are a fan of something and it's a certain niche, maybe it's a certain brand within that niche that you're a fan of. Go to Google, type in the name of the company and add affiliates or affiliate program. I don't want to guarantee anything, but there's a high chance that you're going to find something for that company, whether it's Walmart, whether it's Best Buy, whether it's Target. They all have affiliate programs. Even car companies like Tesla. Well, Tesla is the only one that I actually know of that is an actual car company, not just accessories. And they have an affiliate program. Actually, there's used to be Insane where people actually won Tesla Roadsters that have yet to even come out. My advice for direct, why direct? Direct usually gives you the best terms. If you're doing an affiliate program through another network, they need to earn some of the cut. If you go direct to the source, cut out the middleman and you just are joining the affiliate program, they probably have the highest commission rates. It's ideal to just go with direct, especially for digital products and software. Now, physical products actually might be better to just go through Amazon because so many people shop on Amazon because it has faster shipping. My credit card information and stuff is already there. My billing info is already there. So why not just go straight with Amazon rather than going around? Now, if it's digital, obviously digital products, you just go straight to the website, right? You go to a website, you sign up for the software. Let's say it's an email marketing software. You're just going to go direct to that website and then just sign up. There's not really any sort of like a retailer for stuff like that. So direct, that's the way to go. And again, there's so many different markets that it is dizzying how much there is, but I just hope I can give you guys some ideas. So basically, make sure you check out the blog post that accompanies this video because it's going to have links to all these affiliate programs and also give you just more information. But if you like this video, make sure to hit the the thumbs up and comment below. It really means the world to me. I'm going to put playlists at the end of this video, but make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and get notified of all uploads. Last but not least, for people who are interested in mentorship, I have 3 options. The first is completely free. It's a free guide. There's no email required. There's no sign up. There's no paywall, and that's going to be in the link below. But you can also learn about my other mentorship options, and I've been blessed to work with some of the best students in the world. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I wish you guys the best. I hope you stay safe. I hope you stay healthy and take care of yourself and take responsibility. And I will catch you guys on the next video. Peace.